friends, welcome to the new session of the chapter Accounting for Non-Profit Organization. We have already done the receipts and payment account, and now we will start with the income and expenditure account. But before that, we need to understand some of the adjustments required to be done while making the income and expenditure account. The very first among them is the adjustments regarding the subscription received. Let us see the question given here. Subscription received during the year 2019-20 is rupees 50,000. Subscription received for the year 2018-19 is of rupees 15,000. That means as per the additional information, in 50,000, this 15,000 is included for the previous year. It means previous year this amount was not received. Subscription received for the year 2020-21 is rupees 8,000. It means it is received in advance for the next year. Advance subscription received in 2018-19 was of rupees 12,000. It means it was the advance subscription received in the previous year for the current year. Outstanding subscription for the year 2019-20 is of rupees 6,000. It means this amount of subscription was due this year but has not been received. Now we have to calculate the amount of subscription that will be credited in the income and expenditure account for the year 2019-20. Let us begin with the solution. As we know that the income and expenditure is prepared on accrual basis. So we will begin with the given subscription that has been received during the year 2019 and 20. But we will be considered only for the amount that is for the given year, not for the amount that has been received for the previous year or for the next year. So the subscription received is of rupees 50,000. As we have been given that rupees 15,000 has been received for the previous year. So it does not belong to the current year. Hence it will be subtracted from 50,000. Now it is given that we have received rupees 8,000 in advance for the next year. So even this amount does not belong to the current year, so it will also be subtracted. That means rupees 23,000 will be subtracted from 50,000 and we will be left with 27,000. Now it is given that in previous year we have received an advance of rupees 12,000 for the current year. That means this amount is related to the current period, so it will be added. And rupees 6,000 is due but not yet received. So it is outstanding for current year and thus it will also be added. That means 18,000 will be added to 27,000, which will give 45,000 as the answer. And this will be the amount that will be shown in the income and expenditure account